Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. Let's get into all the oldies but goodies and some newbies. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all already know my paper towels. They didn't have the 140 sheets this time, but I picked up the 100 just because sometimes that's all you can find. So if you can grab the 101, grab the 101. I still do think the Target Bullseye paper towels are a lot better, but again, in a pinch and you're running errands and you just gotta go, then pick up yourself at least one roll. Y'all already know my strong and soft 2-ply, 4 rolls for $1.25. Yes, I also the trash bags with the drawstrings. I love it by Essentials. I like these because they have the drawstrings. They are really thin. You can't pack too much in it, but in comparison to the other ones that don't have the drawstrings, this is my go-to. I much more prefer these. You can see 10 bags. It holds up to 49 liters, and it's by Essentials. Pick it up today, $1.25. Scotty's tissues. They didn't bring the bigger kind, the higher count, but again, sometimes you just gotta go with what's there. 128 tissues, not bad in comparison to their smaller count. So I picked up 2. Now this I will say, and I will recommend, I have to do like a follow-up video. I know I've been meaning to let you guys know the items that I think are worthy from the Dollar Tree. Their Reynolds Wrap foil sheets are really, and they're pre-cut, they really are worth the $1.25. I think it brings 25. This one is not from the Dollar Tree just because of the higher count. There's 50 sheets. And honestly, I had to pick it up because I was in need of some aluminum foil. But when you see them at the Dollar Tree, do get them. They really are no fuss, no muss, and they're already pre-cut. Not bad. So that I will recommend. But this was like 4 and change in comparison to $1.25. It may bring 25, but it's still worth it. If you get 2 boxes, think about it. So yeah, if you see it, snag it. Now in their kitchen section, organizational section, like mopping section, they have this under, yes, their cooking concepts collection. As you can see, it's an organizer basket, and it has these little small things on the sides because they're stackable. I don't need that many, and I think I have enough in my fridge that I think it's just a little too much, but I thought that this would be ideal. Now if you're a big soda can drinker, you can put several sodas, but I'm gonna put like yogurt cups, and I'll let you guys know if it was really worth it, but I think it is, honestly. So yep, organizer basket for $1.25, and I only saw gray. So also, these also come in handy if you're having a little shindig or whatnot, what have you. But you know, sometimes also if you're expecting guests and you don't want them using your cups. That's why I picked it up. It's always good to keep us, you know, just some spare essentials around the house. 24-piece. They're short cups, as you can see, and they're really nice and sturdy. They don't fold too quickly, and they're disposable. So again, not bad for $1.25. In their cooking section or in their gift section, you'll find these. This is in their beauty section, and yes, we're still in a pandemic, so depends if you know what you're using it for. I have relaxed on the gloves, but I do a number of DIYs, and sometimes it requires spray painting, and sometimes I just don't want the paint all over my fingers. So I picked up some clear vinyl gloves by Smart Care. As you can see, 10 gloves per pack. It's only one size, and they're not like super, you know, cheapy or feel like, you know, they're nice vinyl. So not bad. I picked up 2 bags. And also in their beauty section, you can't go wrong with their Global Beauty Care. This is their makeup wipes. I always run low, so these are not bad. 25 sheets, and this one actually promotes that it has collagen, so not bad for $1.25. Also in their beauty care line, they also have an assortment of socks. And these are really essentials, especially for the summertime because they're so short. So if you're walking around with some sneakers and you don't want like those sturdy weather you know, winter socks. You can wear these nice cooler ones that are really cute, and they come in a number of colors. As you can see, they're 3 in a pack. They're by Juncture. I have seen that. I think the brand is called Bum, and it looks a lot better, but it only brings 1 pair. So sorry, I'm gonna always go for, you know, the bigger number count. So 3 per pack. This is for women, sizes from 5 to 9. So yeah, you know, if you see them, $1.25, not bad. Now this I need to explain because I had to pick up another Lime Away. Yes, the deal guy and a number of other YouTubers have suggested the Lime Away, and it is a lot better. It is worth the $1.25. Yes, it's short. Yes, you only have like 16 fluid ounces, as you can see, but the formula itself is really worthy. I'm sorry, I thought I could get more, because this, as you can see, is 20 fluid ounces. It's called the Works Classic Clean Toilet Bowl Cleaner, but honestly, it's just like, it's so watered down. It's not worth it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna still use it. I'm gonna probably just use it along with this, but the Lime Away is a lot better, and it has a nice pretty lemon scented, you know, kind of smell. So yeah, pick yourself up Lime Away. Forget about the Works. Speaking of the deal guy, he just reviewed this product from on his channel, LA's Totally Awesome's Oxygen Orange All-Purpose Degreaser and Spot Remover. I think honestly this is worthy. He did a demonstration on his own video and his own video review, and it did a great job on his stovetop. So he sold me, and as I figured, you know, let me give it a try. It has this orange scent, I'm under the assumption, so I'll give it a try. And it's 32 fluid ounces. I will let you guys know if this is truly worth it, but I'm gonna give it a try, like I did the other products. Speaking of LA's Totally Awesome, again, I know that it's a smaller bottle in comparison to old Dollar Tree's laundry detergent bottle and fabric softener, but you know what, around my way, especially in New York City, these prices are not getting any cheaper, and you will find a bottle this size costs you like $5 or $6. So I'm sorry, I still will prefer $1.25, even if I have to get another one. There you go, $3 in comparison to almost $5 for just a teeny bottle of like Tide. That's not worthy. And as you can see, it's 20. You can do up to 21 loads. It's 42 fluid ounces, and it comes in a number of scents, pretty scents. This is just a clean, fresh scent, and it has a stain lifter. So I picked up 2 bottles, and LA's Totally Awesome fabric softener fresh scent as well. So anywho, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this quick Dollar Tree haul. And if you see any of these items at your local branch, be sure to snag them. Whichever item here stuck out to you, please leave us a comment down below. Which one did you like? Which one do you prefer? Oops! Oh my god, I totally forgot. I'm such in a rush. Sorry guys, I totally forgot about the Crafter'S square. Yes. Okay, I just want to make a small, quick interjection here. They're faux leather. Now they bring a number of fabrics at Crafter'S square section, which is their arts and crafts section. But rarely do they bring, at my branch, do they bring the faux leather. So I know I was looking for one last year desperately, and I couldn't find any. So I came across this one this summer, and I snagged up at least 3. They come in a number of colors. I picked up in white, and this was the brown I was looking for last year for a Halloween project I was doing. And I picked up also a black, and I think they have one in like navy blue. So if you see these, especially at my local branch, please snag them because they go so quickly. More so than I think the vinyl paper, and I think even the fabrics. So yeah, definitely pick up. I had to pick up. Sorry, this was a necessity just for my DIYs. My DIYers here who follow me, you know the struggle. So anyway, I hope you've liked what you've seen. Sorry for that last interjection, and give us a like. Leave us a comment down below. If you like these videos and like to follow me, hit the subscription button and